that. And I'm just going to kind of cut this in a little. And I will just put something around here. So don't worry, it's not going to end up looking like that. Don't panic. I'm actually going to flatten this part down a little. Put my last couple eggs. It's, again, they're still not attached, but I like to see where everything's going to go. And this one I'll cut 2 in. And about there. Okay, so I just need a few more eggs right around here, and then I can go ahead and attach those. And to attach those, I'm just going to be using water, so why don't I show you that? Okay, we're back, and I want to show you the fences because, like I said, these doesn't take long and they crack, so see, that's normal. Don't worry about it. I mean, you can if you really try hard, but to avoid it, but you have to keep watching the freezer, and that's not worth it to me. And I cut them up anyway. So this one, let's see if it works. Sometimes this will crack. So let's just very gently do that end, and then a little bit here. Cool, look at that. Now I'm gonna leave that at room temperature. That way I can actually trim it up. Right now it's too cold, so if I trim it, it would pretty much just crack. So we'll just leave that off and out of the way. So let me just put my car right back up here on the path. Looking good, like so. Okay, we're back, and we are going to prepare some of the tulips here. So remember these? I said that we would do, go ahead and put longer stems on these. So this is just a skewer. I'm going to dip it in the purple chocolate and place it on the back like that, and let those dry. Make sure you get plenty on. You can pop them in the freezer if you want those to dry faster, but by the time I do the other things, they'll be good. So not to worry, not to worry. I'm doing these quickly. You could certainly take your time. You can even get the skewer into the chocolate, you know, so like do it in here. Like that, and then take some, whoops, don't go through the back though. Basically like that. I went through the back a little bit though. And that's a way you could do it too if you have 2 of them together. Remember I said you could put 2 together. You could do it like that too. Okay, the pink ones, a lot of these are done here. What I'm going to do is take some pink luster dust, sterling pearl, and brush over the top. Okay, and then I can basically decide where I want to put it. And then depending how much time, if you have time for this to dry, you can paint the stem now. You could cover the stem with fondant if you want. You could pipe over it with buttercream. I'm actually taking a little bit of water on my on a brush and then putting it in green, leaf green food color. And I am just painting the stick or the skewer, whichever one I am doing at the time. And you don't have to paint all the way down because that's part of that's going to go into the cake, right? So you can do those, kind of sit them like that, off to the side, and voila. And these other ones here, gonna need a few more minutes to set.